Hi guys! Tonight we make again turmeric tea for our boss because they have dry cough. So today we make too many. See?
See, effective.
6 cups.
No,
Because
8.
it's
Finished.
proven and tested.
Tested.
So if you feel dry cough, make turmeric tea. Just 1 cup. Put 1 teaspoon turmeric powder,
And
1 lemon squeeze, mix, and then 1 teaspoon sugar. Then put hot water and drink it before you sleep. Drink it. Thank you.
Bala.